Hi, this is Peter from Net Foundation and welcome to the 8th and last video in the series on how to make a course in its learning. In this video we will talk about the element test. First I will make the actual test by going to the resources, lesson 1, add and then on test. Put in the title and add a description. Click on Save. To add questions to the test, you first have to deactivate it. This test is already inactive. In the description, you can tell the students what they can expect. Click on the Questions tab to actually make the questions. You can simply click on Add to see all the types of questions with their description. Go over them by yourself for a moment to see which type of questions you might use. As an example, I will add a multiple choice question. In the first box, write down the question. Then, add the alternatives and select which answer is correct. Click on Save and New if you want to add the same type of question, or just click on Save. I will show one more example, and this time of the question type. Select from a list. You can enter an introduction text, and in the next box you will add some text in which you want to blank some of the words. Select the word you want to blank and click on Create Blank. Now the students can choose the right answer from a list. You can also add alternative blanks to make it more difficult. If you don't really understand what type of question you are making, you can always read the column on the right where there are some tips on how to use the different kind of questions. After adding the questions, don't forget to activate the test again. Let's add a test in the plants. And we will remove the other plants we made in the first tutorials. Just as a reminder, always make the elements in the resources and add them in the plants later to stay organized. These are some of the basic options you can use to make a test. This is the last video in the series on how to make a course. With this basic knowledge, you can begin adding the elements for the second lesson. In the next series, I will go over the administrative parts of using its learning. Thank you for watching.